Hello and welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Smash Falafel Wrap. It is so easy to make and delicious in taste. No frying falafel makes it the healthier version of falafel wrap. To make Smash Falafel Mixture, I have 6 cups of cooked chickpeas, 2 cups of parsley, 1 medium-sized red onion, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2.5 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. So since I have 6 cups of cooked chickpeas, I'm going to do it in batches. So in a food processor, add half of the chickpeas and half onion. Add some parsley and throw in all the spices into the food processor and blend everything. I do want to tell you guys that there is a difference between a smashed falafel mixture and a regular falafel mixture. And the difference is, smashed falafel mixture, we take 6 cups of cooked chickpeas. Now, if you're frying these falafels, you don't need to take cooked chickpeas. You can take 2 cups of dried chickpeas and soak it overnight and then blend everything in a food processor with a teaspoon of baking powder. In the smashed falafel mixture, we don't need to add baking powder because the chickpeas are already cooked. And if you want to check out how I make homemade hummus recipe, the link is in the description box down below. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post, and don't forget to hit the like button down below. Since I prepared the smashed falafel mixture into batches, mix the falafel mixture so everything is well combined. Another tip I want to share with you guys is you can freeze this mixture for up to 3 months. This falafel mixture is ready. Take a pita bread, or you can use tortilla as well. Today I'm using whole wheat pita bread, or you can use the regular pita bread as well. You can use either side, but I'm going to use the back side of the pita bread. And I'm going to take a generous amount of smashed falafel mixture and I'm going to spread it evenly on this pita bread. Heat up a pan on a medium flame. Add about a teaspoon of olive oil and cook the falafel mixture side of the pita bread first, or until it's golden brown. It will take about a minute or 2, but be sure to check in between. Flip the pita bread and cook on the other side just for 30-35 seconds. And you can see that the falafel mixture is beautifully cooked and it has that golden brown color on top. Take the pita bread onto a plate or on a board. And here is how I make this smashed falafel wrap. I'll take a gallop of Tzatziki sauce. You can check out my Tzatziki sauce video. The link is in the description box down below. It's a cucumber yogurt sauce that goes well with pita bread, chips, or as a falafel dip. Add a little bit of lettuce, some chopped tomatoes, some cucumbers, and some dill pickle. And drizzle some tahini sauce on top. You can check out my tahini sauce recipe video. The link is in the description box down below. Tahini sauce is so rich and nutty in taste. It's made up of 100% sesame seeds and some salt and garlic. And you can use the tahini sauce as salad dressing or drizzle on the wraps. Smash Falafel Wrap is ready. bursting with flavors, and so easy to make at home. It's a perfect weeknight dinner or lunch option. Hope you like this Smash Falafel Wrap video. Do give it a try. Share the recipe video if you enjoy it with friends and family. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.